Boucher, one of the technical advisors and trainers here at Comfort Supply. Thank you for your interest in our Advanced Maintenance Tool Diagnostic class. The training is an in-depth look at the City Multi operation and the use of our maintenance tool software to diagnose issues. Typical audience for the class is technicians servicing the City Multi products. For those attending this class, it is required to bring a laptop with maintenance tool software pre-installed. It is also recommended that you already have completed the 3-day City Multi class. This class is eligible for 8 NATE recertification hours. If you are interested in this class, it costs $150 per person, and you can pay via check or provide a PO and we will bill your account. This class will cover all the materials, plus we will provide lunch and breakfast. Once you sign up, if you are unable to make the class, please notify us 48 hours prior to the class